Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome. I would let you know in this video some fact about myself, my dear friends. If you belong in village, you must watch to me. I think that you can learn here something well. And if you think that if you want to improve yourself, so this video for to you because I think that this is a vlog, a mini vlog for to you if you want to improve yourself. I think that my dear friends what being with me and if you are trying to do. So in your mind come if you are going to learn, if you are going to see someone as who is stranger for you, I think that you are feeling hesitate, you are feeling lot of fear. I think that only you watch first time. So we must try to understand, and if we want to make confident, if we want to develop of myself, we have to do, we have to ignore of everybody. If we are thinking, if we are doing something, we have to speak openly without hesitation in the public place, anywhere place if we are. So we must try to understand what I am, and we must consider, we must try to know about my knowledge. Because my dear friends, if you have knowledge, you would not and you don't worry to hesitate from people. So what people would say if they would watch to you. I think that my dear friends, if you are right, I think that would feel they would feel wrong. I think that you must not feel hesitation, you must not feel you are wrong as you are thinking I am doing some work as what people would say about myself. My dear friends, first question is put up in your mind as why. So we have to learn, then we have to think, and we have to try to understand lot of us about myself. So if we want to make well, how we can develop, first question put up in your mind. So my dear friends, everyone want to improve his communication skill. I think that if you belong village and you think that how we can develop myself, you can learn, you can study lot of us, and you can watch many video at YouTube channel. Many people have a well knowledge, well confident, they are providing to you best opportunity to understand of them. So my dear friends, if you are watching someone else and some effect if you have, so you must try to watch of them. If you are thinking in your mind I can watch of people, then I can learn, you must try to do it. So my dear friends, in this field we are, and we must try to know what I am and how we can make well. My dear friends, we must try to know lot of us. We must try to know grammar portion, we must try to know how we can make sentences, we must try to know how we can do work. I think that my dear friends, second question is put up how we can do, how we can do and how we can make strong of myself. So my dear friends, if you have knowledge, if you are giving time, I think that there is nothing too impossible in your life. You must try to know at this start. If you are giving time at your communication, if you are watching people, if you are learning, I think that you can make well, and automatically confident will come in your mind what you have to say in between of people. So you must not afraid crowd of people. If you want to do well, if you want to learn well, you must try to understand, and you must try to focus at your communication skill. I think that my dear friends, also I am fearing lot of fuss watching of people. I think it is being lot of people, not only it is your problem. You must try to do some work as which you can do remove at your fear, you can remove your hesitation, and you can make confident yourself, and you can develop lot of us in your field. We must, if we want to do well, I think that we have not tried to know, we must try to talk of people. I think that my dear friends, when we talk of people, in our hesitation will be removed. We must try to do some work as which we could share about myself. I think that if I would say to you, tell me about yourself, what are coming in your mind? First word, I am Sandeep, I belong here. I'm doing or I'm pursuing BTech, diploma, anything who you are giving time for your education. So, my dear friends, you must try to know what are you and what you want to be. So, focus and do work. So here I am stand alone where there is no one is showing because I'm feeling boring. Yeah, when we watch of people I feel same. शर्मिंदगी महसूस होती पता नहीं क्यों. I don't know that what is being with me when we watch of people. When someone are watching to me, I think that my difference if I will do it, I will never gain the response of myself. But what can I do? It is being with me. If someone are so you can watch in this video, there is no one. Uh, if there is no one you can watch in this video around me because I am stand alone. Because we feel some hesitation, we have feel lot of shame when we watch of people because I think that चाहे वो मेरे बारे में कुछ ना सोचता हो, I think that he would nothing think about myself, but I think about of them that time what he would think about myself. I think that my difference we want to develop, we have to focus, we have to give time lot of us and we must try to know at this start. So if you are watching to me, you can join with me and you can keep your thought in the comment section because I know you are as for me. You are feeling lot of क्या बोलते सेम शर्मिंदगी when you are watching of people. Why? Remove your this quality. It is not your quality, it is not your it is not your good habit, it is your bad habit and remove it. You must try to do as anything, you must try to do but you must remove. So thank you and meet you